Good morning, guys. Today's an awesome day. We're gonna go film with the Discovery Channel.
I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do with my life, so I thought I'd at least film it. What the vloggity?
Yeah, you get to see what it's like to be an actor, because I'm taking you guys with me and filming as much as I can. Tex, I already told you that I can't take you on set with me. Okay? Alright. Okay, guys, so here we go. Oh, Portos. The lady, you're gonna get it.
Oh, they're gonna get it.
Oh yeah. Through these doors. Sorry. These doors happen as a wait. Dulce just ran into my back. Portos was yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yeah, it was. Cheese, pineapple Danish for later.
Alright, we're going home. Gotta get ready for the shoot. And yeah, we'll go and head on set and see what this shoot's all about. Woohoo!
Ooh. Ah.
They still have a payphone?
He has a payphone. This is like an antique. I'm surprised this is not at a museum.
Kids, for all you kids born in the 90s, back in the day, this is what we had to use when we didn't have cell phones. So you'd run down to the store and call your girlfriend on one of these.
Phone me. Poison Plaza. Nice. Cool, cool.
Hey guys, just pulled up on set. Looks like we're filming in this building here. Whoa. I'm gonna go and get signed in, see what's what, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Alright guys, that's a wrap for me. Wasn't that some cool helicopter footage? Yeah, it was pretty neat. Can't really talk about this project much until it comes out, but I'll give you a hint, it's reality TV. So I'm on the way home, wrapped earlier than I thought. I honestly thought we were going to stay here pretty late, but I guess not. So that's cool. Yeah, let's head home and see what my baby's up to. Hey guys, so night has fallen, not much else has happened, just came home and rested. Dulce's making us some sandwiches. Hi babe. What? You can't have any sandwiches. I told you about the human food, Tex. We're gonna head to bed after this, guys. It was a long day. I had to run up some stairs for take after take, so my leg hurts. And I'm tired. So we'll catch you guys on the next one, okay? Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. And favorite this video. Share it with somebody if you can, please. Alright. You guys stay classy. We'll see you later.
Stay classy.